Eating corn regularly has many benefits. Corn contains 7 kinds of anti-aging agents, which can effectively prevent and treat constipation, enteritis, intestinal cancer, heart disease, and other diseases. Today, let's make poached egg corn soup. Follow my channel and save this recipe now. Ingredients are broccoli, corn, carrot, tomato, and eggs. Sliced carrot, tomato cut half, cut corn into sections, cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. Crack eggs into bowl and set aside. Fry eggs. Add 1 big bowl hot water and put into boil. Add corn. Add carrot slices. Add tomatoes. One teaspoon each of salt and chicken powder, pinch of pepper powder. Add broccoli. Sprinkle spring onion. This soup is delicious. Give it a try. Poached eggs are rich in nutrients. Poached eggs contain vitamin A, vitamin D, B vitamins, etc., which are all necessary vitamins to maintain normal body activities. For example, if the human body is deficient in vitamin A, it will affect vision, and if the human body is deficient in vitamin D, it will lead to osteoporosis or rickets. This soup is very nutritious. Just make this recipe when you don't want to stir fry. It has soup and vegetables to eat. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.